Hey guys, I have a microphone for this video. I hope you can hear me. But, I apologize for the background noise. My brother is watching a video. We're gonna play some Minecraft today. Sorry, my mouse is acting up on me. Let's make this full screen here. Okay. Oh gosh, turn down the volume here. That'll be good. I guess we're gonna play. No, we're gonna not do multiplayer. We're gonna do a survival world. YouTubing. Awesome. I'm going to allow cheats and I'm going to have the bonus chest on. I just like those, and I want to play on a particular world for you guys. I've played a few hardcore maps. I've always lost on this world, so we're just going to play regular survival. But, yeah. Loading. Here we go. Hello, Jeffrey. Jeffrey Pig. Oh man.
Nice video.
Anyways, first we're gonna get wood, just a wooden pickaxe, so that we can get a wooden axe and just get a bunch of wood really, really fast. I'd go watch your video. My little brother loves watching me. Anyways, if you have no idea what I just did there, it was the new 1.5 awesome update where you can just drag things, click and drag your blocks. Anyways, oh, there's that bonus chest. Probably has like a stone axe in it, and I just made this for nothing. Oh, Anthony, you are stupid. You're a stupid person. Stupid. You guys should, like, totally kill me. Anyways, comment in the section down below whether you want me to continue this or to play multiplayer games or whatever you want me to do. As you had noticed, my first video was a Survival Hunger Games video, and it didn't have any sound, but I have some sound now. But anyways, yeah. Tell me what you want me to do. I'll probably play some other games as well. Anyways, what we're doing right now is we're gathering wood because we want to go in the mines and just live down in the tunnels. Like bosses, you know? I'm not caring about getting all the wood, I just want a ton of wood. Not a lot. Not like a bajillion million tons. But yeah, I just want some. Like, that's good enough for me. Get that. Anyways, we're gonna go into the mine and we're going to try and build a nice house before a bunch of mobs spawn. We'll worry about food later. As you can see, there's plenty of pigs around. I know I could build my house there, but I really don't want to. I have like this specific place that I love building my house for this map, my starter house anyway. Also, comment in the section down below whether you want me to do like instructional build videos, so where I tell you how to build things. Oh gosh, really? Is he coming up behind me? I already hear zombies. They're not that big of a deal, but you know, I'd rather not have them here. Wait a second. This one? No, it's not this one. Next one over. I'm real smart. Can you guys tell? I'm awesome. In my opinion, I'm awesome. You guys might think differently, but whatever, you know. I can only record 10-minute sessions, but, you know, that's fine. I'm just gonna first get this bit. We'll extend it out later. And yes, I know I have a crafting bench off that other place, but I really don't want to go get it right now. Anyways. Some doors. Now I'm gonna have to go down in there to get. But first I need a sword to go down in there. So, sorry if I don't talk much, because if I talk too much it's going to annoy my brother. He's 8. Standing behind me, being obnoxious. So, oh my gosh, I am so scared right now. I don't even know.
What in the world is a monster? Oh, there she is! Get off, monster!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. I really don't know. Ed, can you, like, not be obnoxious and loud?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, gosh. Oh, man. Oh, man. Where are you? 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 Get out of here. Stupid zombie. Okay, that kind of scared the bejeebus out of me. But I have some coal now to make torches with, which is exactly what I freaking wanted to do, because torches are important. Let's organize our inventory here. Get that out of here, get that out. Bread, I have bread to eat. Bread, go down here. No. There. Okay. Let's light it up. Oh, really, dagnabbit, you stupid son of a butt. Oh, fudge you. Ow. That hurt. Gives me free cobble. Really? Ow. No, stop it. No, don't like this update. You're dead. You're dead, sucker. I need food. I need to get food. Hopefully it's not nighttime yet. Ow. What? I'm sorry, I have a bad computer. I'm not even using like a computer. I'm using a laptop. So, you know, kind of not very good for these purposes. Lags. Okay, come here, Jeffrey the pig. That's good for now. I don't like killing pigs very much. Anyways. Oh, I have bread. What am I? Stupid? Yes, don't answer that question. Rambling. I'm insane. What can I say? Anyways. Let's just grab some cobble to make a furnace. That's good. I like this little cranial sticking here. Need more coal, dagnabbit. I have to go back into this hectic place. Although I'm pretty sure it's not that hectic. In fact, I'm positive it's not as hectic as it could be. Oh, really? You gotta be here. You gotta be here. Oh, and with an enchanted bow. Screw freaking you.